Hey there, fellow aspiring millionaires. Are you ready to learn the secrets of success from one of the greatest investors of all time? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into Warren Buffett's 5 rules for young people who want to get rich. Trust me, these tips could change your life. Rule number 1, invest in yourself. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." And boy, was he right. Whether it's acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge, or even improving your communication abilities, investing in yourself is the key to unlocking your potential. So, how do you do it? Well, start by reading books, attending workshops, and seeking out mentors in your desired field. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and push you to grow. Remember, knowledge is power. Rule number 2, save and invest. Warren Buffett is a firm believer in the power of saving and investing. He advises young people to save at least 20% of their income and put it to work through smart investments. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Start by creating a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, and then put that money to work in the stock market, real estate, or any other investment avenue that aligns with your goals. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, do your research, and let compound interest work its magic. Warren Buffett himself started investing at a young age, and look where it got him. Rule number 3, surround yourself with the right people. Buffett once famously said, "It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction." Surrounding yourself with motivated, ambitious, and successful individuals will not only inspire you, but also push you to reach new heights. Attend networking events, join communities, and build meaningful relationships that will nurture your growth. Remember, success is not just about making money, it's about personal development and lifelong learning. Embrace failure, learn from it, and treat every setback as an opportunity to grow. Rule number 4, be patient. Warren Buffett has a phenomenal track record, and one of the key reasons for his success is his patience. He doesn't chase quick wins or get caught up in market fluctuations. Instead, he invests for the long term. Don't let short-term gains distract you from your long-term goals. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and understand that true wealth is built over time. As Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Rule number 5, give back. Despite his astronomical wealth, Warren Buffett is famously known for his philanthropy. He believes in the power of giving back and has pledged to donate a significant portion of his wealth to charitable causes. As you accumulate wealth, remember to use your success to make a positive impact on the world. Whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering, or setting up your own foundation, giving back not only helps others but also brings a sense of fulfillment to your own life. So there you have it, the 5 rules to get rich according to the legendary Warren Buffett. Invest in yourself, save and invest wisely, surround yourself with the right people, be patient, and give back. Now, it's time to take action and start working towards your financial goals. Remember, even the greatest journeys begin with a single step. So go out there, seize opportunities, and pave your own path to financial success. Happy investing, my friends? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.